Hi everyone, my name is Swanepoel from National Motorsport Mzansi. We're out here at the Formula K racetrack. It's set up for go-karts and motard. If you have a look at it, I think the width is nice. I think the straight is short enough to have some, not high-powered cars, but just decent race cars that about 100 kilowatts up to 150 kilowatts, 2.2 kilometers long. And I'm sure we can host a race here. You know, if you look at all the bends, if you look at just how much is happening here, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. The East Rand is just filled with craziness and motorsport. And it's so nice to be out here just seeing on what is today, a Tuesday? On a Tuesday afternoon, coming out here and seeing how busy it is. I mean, look at the pits. It's busy. Everywhere is busy. There's bikes on, there's cars. Well, no, not cars. There's bikes, there's go-karts, there's people all over. There's little tuck shops, and I just can't wait for this place to get done. I tell you, this is going to be a place where I'll be hanging out as well and introducing lots of different things to different people for National Motorsport Mzansi to just expose every type of motorsport out there. I'm Swanepoel, over and out. Everybody, so we're out here today at the Formula K. National Motorsport Mzansi is being curious to see what's going on here at Formula K racetrack, and we hooked up with Marius Swanepoel. And Marius, thanks for having us here. Tell us what's going on here.
Hi Ishmael, pleasure. Yeah, well, it's a new circuit that we developed. It's taken a while, but yeah, we started with the circuit was completed last year, middle November, and yeah, we're just growing from strength to strength.
And what all is happening here? I see us go-karts, just motorbikes. I'd like to test the car over here. What?
Yeah, basically it's a short circuit for karts, bikes. Cars can also go on it, but yeah, it's more a short circuit. It's 2.1 kilometers total length. 18 different configurations one way, and you can swap it around, so there's so many configurations. But yeah, anything goes on this circuit, so, but mainly yeah, motards, bikes and karts. It was designed.
So it was designed for karts and motard.
Yeah, and it was developed under CIK FIA spec. So, you know, once we do the application for that, we'll have it as a grade A circuit, which means we can host international events here.
And for now, are you guys hosting events, MSA events or WAMSA, or what is it? Well, what events can you host now? I don't know.
Yeah, look, at the moment we can host club events, nationals, regionals. We had the first Rotex regional here just before lockdown on the 29th of Feb. It went off very well. The feedback from the Okies that rode the karts, they love the circuit. They say it's very European style. You know, it's got fast sections, technical sections. So yeah, they're very excited, and they love the idea that it's a European style circuit, because you know they want to go compete in Europe for the World Championships and things like that. Yeah, so we have to hear things like that.
You know, I've been around the circuit, you've taken me around here. For me, it's wide enough for not high-powered race cars, but like 120, 140 kilowatt cars, I'm sure could go around here. Would you let us put up something like that over here to just entertain people?
Yeah, well, you went around. If you think it's possible, we can always look at it. Like I mentioned previously, we, for twice now already, we had the National Rally Championship, the special stage, and they loved it. You know, it's time trials, so dicing with cars, you know, the main straight is 10 meters wide, the rest is 8 meters wide. Yeah, well, we're going to test it today and see, and then, you know, I'd like your feedback also on it, but yes, anything's possible.
People out there, so there's another racetrack that lots of people don't know about. Number one, sponsors. That's the thing that makes the circle go round and round, is sponsors out there. So Marius Swanepoel you're the owner, eh?
Yeah, well, we're three partners.
You're three partners out here. And who can people get hold of if they want to come on board with signboard, sponsorship?
Yeah, they can contact me. All my details is on our website. Our website is formula-k.co.za. All the information, all our details, everything is on the website, and there's a lot of information on there as well.
So, I mean, if it's new, everyone wants to see what's happening here. It's East Rand. East Rand is crazy with cars always. So let's see what Marius can give us here one day with race cars, motorbikes, go-karts, the whole toot. Let's have a day of everything here one day, and we pack this place to the max. When's the stands coming up, Marius?
100%. Yeah, like you see, they're busy with the commercial development, which is also another feature. You know, it's one of a kind I think in the world, where you have the mini factories right on the pit lane, and then obviously we're doing a main building here. It's about 20,000 square meters main building with pit entrance and everything. Yeah, so it is in the pipeline. Obviously it will be ready for night racing as well. We'll put up some floodlights and things on here. But yeah, it's a working process and we're growing, but yeah, it will come soon.
Tell me about the building at the back there. If our cameraman can look at that building, what's happening there?
Yeah, that's the first phase. It's a commercial, so it's actually Formula K sports and business park. So yeah, it's not only for the motor enthusiasts, but yeah, it's mini factories ranging from about 80 to 140 square meters. Very nice view of the circuit. And yeah, if you want to have a little shop or something here, you're more than welcome. First phase sold out on the launch day in November last year, but they will start the second phase very soon. But yeah, it's excellent. And again, all the information is on our website. There's some nice videos with what's happening all over. And yeah, that's basically it.
But for me, that doesn't look like many factories. That looks like many houses or many flats or something someone can stay in.
Yeah, it's very upmarket. Like I said, go look on the website. But it's upmarket, small mini factories. So, you know, it's got a little workshop at the bottom, and then you go upstairs with your veranda and a nice office, whatever you want to do there. But yeah, it's not apartments. It's
it's not apartments. Okay.
No, it's not apartments.
Looks like really nice apartments coming up. Alright people, I'm going to take you guys around the track and show you what the track looks like, so you can all see what I'm feeling. And let's go down to my car, offload it and get it on the track, go see what's happening on the circuit. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Here we go. Thank you, man.